All right, so buckle up, folks, because we are diving deep today,
Yeah.
deep into some seriously strange territory with,
Strange is our specialty, right?
you got it. We've got this audio file, and the label on this thing is a doozy. It's, get this, Inside Alien DARPA Lab, Human Hybrid and Cyborg Top Secret Experiments .mp3.
Oh, wow. So, right off the bat, we're dealing with, well, let's just say a very specific set of expectations.
Yeah, and going in, I was ready for anything, right? Leaked audio, shadowy figures,
Yeah.
whispers about ET, the
Makes
works.
sense. With a title like that, you'd think Men in Black stuff. Like,
Exactly.
yeah.
But, and here's the kicker, instead of all that, what we actually get is, well, it's almost more unsettling.
More unsettling than government conspiracies and alien encounters. I'm almost afraid to ask.
You see, it's not even about what's in the file. It's more about what's missing.
Missing. Okay, now you've got me hooked. Lay it on me. What did you find, or rather, not find?
Silence. Mostly just silence. Static, a little bit of white noise.
Yeah.
It kind of makes your skin crawl. But then there's this, well, an anomaly. A single word actually pops up over and over again.
A word. Just one word in the whole file. That's more than a little odd.
Right. You'd expect, I don't know, maybe schematics being discussed or, lab results or something with a title like that.
Yeah, anything but, well, what is the word? Don't keep me in suspense here.
It's heat. That's it. Just heat. Repeated again and again. No context, no explanation, just heat.
Heat.
Yeah.
Huh. See, this is where it gets really interesting, because without any kind of context, trying to figure out what that means, well, it's like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with only one piece.
You're telling me. And that's what makes this deep dive, well, so fascinating. We've got this puzzle with only a few pieces, and we have to figure out how they fit together.
Okay, well, let's start with what we know, right? We've got this title, mentions DARPA. So we're talking about the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. These guys, they're the big leagues when it comes to pushing the boundaries of science and technology, and we know they're not afraid to get a little out there.
So we're thinking maybe this heat is like a code word
Yeah.
or jargon for some super secret project they've got cooking.
Could be. Or, DARPA does a lot of work with cybernetics, right?
Mhm.
Integrating tech with biological systems. And one of the biggest hurdles there is, you guessed it, heat.
Right, because all those circuits and processors, they generate a ton of heat. And you can't exactly have a cyborg overheating, can you?
Exactly. So maybe heat is referring to some kind of breakthrough they've had in managing that heat. Or, and this is where we get into the really speculative stuff, maybe it's not even about machines.
You're thinking maybe bioengineering, like manipulating cellular processes, some of which, yeah, generate heat.
Right. We're talking genetic engineering, artificial tissue growth, things like that. DARPA's definitely interested in that stuff.
So here we are. We started with this audio file, promising all kinds of secrets about alien labs and cyborgs. And what we ended up with is silence, static, and the word heat on repeat.
It's like finding a treasure map and the only clue is an X that marks the spot, but no island to find it on,
The mystery deepens. But that's where you come in, dear listeners. We've given you the pieces, the strange audio file, DARPA's reputation for pushing the limits, and this cryptic heat. Now it's up to you to connect the dots.
Maybe do a little digging into DARPA's current projects, see if anything jumps out. Or look into advancements in cybernetics and bioengineering, see if any of those fields are grappling with heat-related issues. Who knows, you might just stumble on something big.
The answer? It's out there, somewhere.
Yeah.
And maybe, just maybe, one of you will be the one to crack this case wide open.
Happy hunting.
Until next time, keep those minds open and stay curious.